C'est un bon élan pour la Namibie et le Sili national, Max doit envisager un nouvel élan pour au moins affronter ces aides qui ont besoin de survoler le Sili de Guinée.
Alors moi je pense qu'en seconde explication, l'entraîneur doit essayer de revoir qu'est-ce qu'il faut faire, qu'est-ce que je dois mettre en place pour que cette équipe guinéenne impose son football, impose son jeu. Et vous avez non seulement quelques joueurs sur le banc, à savoir Sadio Diallo qui
n'a pas de problème de vestiaire.
oui, Sadio Diallo qui signe son retour. Alors il faut aussi penser à mettre un joueur, Seydou Bassouma, qui peut apporter sur le plan offensif. Je pense bien que quand l'entraîneur va essayer d'apporter quelques remaniements sur le classement, je pense bien que cette équipe guinéenne pourra imposer son football et pourra mettre la pression. Il a rappelé tout à l'heure, et vous avez vu deux tentatives de la Guinée quand cette équipe a essayé non seulement de faire des touches de balle, vous avez vu, on s'est retrouvé dans la surface de réparation du camp adverse. Alors si cette équipe ne parvient pas à imposer son football, on va toujours continuer à défendre. Alors, défendre, on risque d'encaisser des buts. Et quand on encaisse, il y aura encore une ouverture de plus. Et là, cette équipe malienne que je vois, la rapidité sur le côté. Et vous avez vu, en 2 minutes, il y a eu 2 tentatives maliennes. Oui. Alors, sur le côté droit de la Guinée. Alors, c'est quelque chose qui prouve à suffisance que cette équipe malienne a des armes pour non seulement neutraliser et créer assez d'ennuis à la défense guinéenne. Alors, c'est à l'entraîneur Lidé Six aussi de
revoir. The goalkeeper had a good save. That was a good one there. That was actually a good one. But it was a quick save by the goalkeeper of Benin Republic. Talking about Fanole. Now, my brother, John Paul. So far, so good. What do you think Nigeria will bring up front to show up the attack if they still need another goal? Or will they still maintain this tempo? Or will they bring somebody up front, talking about Ahmed Musa or any other player into this match? Or will they
and I believe you can see it has been fouled, but I think the referee overlooked that one. Super Eagles of Nigeria have this to come into play and to actually help us retain this 1-goal lead. It wouldn't be good, and it wouldn't be a good narrative if anything happens contrary.
What happens? They cleared by a good clearance there by the Rock Super Eagles. The hard-fought 3 points. A quick one into the 18 by the Benin side. What will happen with this corner kick? Can they make use of this corner kick and get an equalizer? A quick one into the 18. The Super Eagles had cleared it out.
In the kitty for the Super Eagles.
He was in right position, and of course, with no time wasted, he put the right foot onto it, and that was a clever finish indeed.
Some capital
Absolutely
projects
amazing
fall
here
under the purview of the federal government. However, there are cases where the state carries out such projects on behalf of the federal government. In such cases, the state is eventually refunded. Kogi State is of
right now is
10.69 billion naira to the state.
Can we keep our cool? Can we keep the ball and not give away the ball and not give away those cheap free kicks that we gave in the
we have done justice to others.
We're not clear yet.
And we have to
Let's see what happens.
To Kogi State. It doesn't matter.
The referee is still deciding.
This justice is coming. This justice has to be done.
Yes, the goal has been given.
Had mandated its Committee on Women Affairs,
Judiciary,
Human Rights and Legal Matters, and that of National Security and Intelligence to carry out investigative hearings on child trafficking in Nigeria and proper solutions within 2 weeks. Senator Jibrin Barau moved the motion.
Before the end of the 90 minutes, and Lesotho had equalized here at the Checkers Stadium. This is not new for the national team Leon Stars to always concede goals in the 10 minutes of a match.
Mr. President,
it's deja vu all over again.
Not just a problem in Nigeria.
It's absolutely unbelievable here.
It is really a global problem.
At the Checkers Stadium, Sierra Leone 1, Lesotho 1.
They are